A very warm welcome to Kingston Maurward College and our virtual open event. Although you are unable to join us in person at the moment, we've put together a series of clips, videos and other information on our website to give you a real flavour of what Kingston Maurward College is all about. We work closely with industry and employers to ensure our programmes provide students with the skills and knowledge they need to progress in their careers. Our applied approach to learning ensures that students are getting real life experience of the things that they're learning about, ensuring that when they finish the courses, they are in demand. We invest in resources, we invest in our staff, but most importantly, we invest time and effort in our students to ensure that they become the best that they can be. As a specialist land-based college, we have a real passion for the land, the environment, and the animals and plants that exist there. We're looking for students who share this passion, and we don't purely recruit students on their academic skills or their previous experience. We recruit on aptitude and attitude first. Within our different curriculum areas, we offer a variety of levels of programme, whether that's a level 1 programme developing the basic skills and knowledge of the industry, or a level 3 technical qualification. All of our programmes contain far more than just a qualification, with a focus on work experience and industry placement, as well as enrichment activities, pastoral support and the chance to get involved in many projects here on our 750-acre country estate. So explore the website, have a look at our different programmes, especially new programmes in rural, business and heritage land management, as well as marine aquaculture. And if you have any further questions about any of our programmes, please do get in touch with the links on the website. We hope to be running physical virtual events very soon, so please look out for those on our social media accounts and on the website. Many thanks, and we very much look forward to welcoming you here in the very near future.